Effective automotive social media content ideas, plus AI tools. Are you looking to build your brand on social media and in need of some automotive social media content ideas? Check out some cool automotive social media content ideas and some of our AI tools to come up with more specific social media content ideas and write more effective social media captions faster than ever before. Let's start with the automotive social media content ideas. Post about upcoming car shows or exhibitions. Share photos and videos of new car models. Highlight the features and specifications of your cars. Share photos and videos of your cars on the road. Promote special offers, discounts, and promotions. Share photos and videos of car events or rallies. Offer tips and advice for maintaining and servicing cars. Share photos and videos of classic cars. Highlight the safety features of your cars. Promote eco-friendly cars and sustainable initiatives. Share photos and videos of your car interiors and exteriors. Offer car buying tips and recommendations. Share photos and videos of your cars in action. Highlight the unique features of your cars, such as autonomous driving or electric engines. Offer car customization ideas and recommendations. Share photos and videos of car design concepts and prototypes. Post about automotive history and heritage. Share photos and videos of car races or competitions. Promote car financing options and incentives. Offer tips and advice for safe driving. Share photos and videos of car restorations. Highlight the performance features of your cars. Post about automotive technology and innovation. Share photos and videos of car factories and assembly lines. Offer tips and advice for car insurance and protection. Share photos and videos of car accessories and add-ons. Promote the benefits of regular car maintenance. Offer car leasing options and recommendations. Share photos and videos of car museums or collections. Highlight the luxury features of your cars. Post about automotive culture and lifestyle. Share photos and videos of car testing and development. Offer car comparison and review articles. Share photos and videos of car-related art and design. Promote the convenience of car rentals. Offer tips and advice for winter driving. Share photos and videos of car-related charity events or initiatives. Highlight the family-friendly features of your cars. Post about automotive trends and predictions. Share photos and videos of car-related movies or TV shows. Offer tips and advice for car customization. Share photos and videos of car-related music or concerts. Promote the versatility of your cars for different purposes or activities. Offer car maintenance and repair tutorials. Share photos and videos of car-themed restaurants or cafes. Highlight the safety ratings and awards of your cars. Post about automotive sports and athletes. Share photos and videos of car-related art installations or exhibits. Offer tips and advice for car navigation and GPS. Share photos and videos of car-related fashion and style. Promote the convenience of car-sharing services. Offer car detailing and cleaning tips. Share photos and videos of car-related gaming or virtual reality. Highlight the durability and longevity of your cars. Post about automotive news and current events. Share photos and videos of car-related travel destinations. Offer tips and advice for fuel efficiency. Share photos and videos of car-related toys or collectibles. Promote the safety of your cars for families. Offer car safety and emergency preparedness tips. Share photos and videos of car-related architecture or design. Highlight the affordability and value of your cars. Post about automotive education and careers. Share photos and videos of car-related tech gadgets and accessories. Offer car resale and trade-in advice. Share photos and videos of car-related festivals. Share photos and videos of new car models. Highlight the features and specifications of your cars. Offer tips and advice on car maintenance and repair. Share photos and videos of cars in action, such as in races or off-road adventures. Promote special offers, discounts, and promotions. Post customer testimonials and reviews. Share behind-the-scenes photos and videos of your manufacturing process. Highlight the safety features of your cars. Share photos and videos of your dealership or showroom. Offer tips and advice on how to choose the right car. Share photos and videos of your cars in scenic locations. Highlight any awards or recognitions your cars have received. Share photos and videos of your cars being tested. Check out the Automotive social media ideas in the video description. Let's now have a look at how you can use our AI social media tools to really create awesome campaigns better and faster than ever before. Sign up for free and give it a go.
Let us see how AI can help you create effective social media posts. Spark creativity with the various social media post generators. We are going to look at social media captions, images, video scripts, repurposing, and blog to social generator. Let's start with the social media caption generator. Head over to Storylab AI and select a social caption generator. Select a social platform, describe your post, and choose a style. Not bad, right? AI can spark creativity within seconds. Run the AI tool a couple of times and create a list of potential social media posts. Now let's create some cool images for the social media posts. Describe what the image should look like. Select a style and let AI work its magic. You can leave the style empty and add your unique style in the image prompt. If you want to engage your audience with a video post, use the social media video script generator. Enter a couple of details about the video and let AI come up with an engaging video script, perfect for a video post. All you have to do is record the video and post it with the caption you created earlier. Now let's see how the social media repurposing generator works. Simply copy, paste the copy of an existing social media post. Describe how you want to spice up your post and get 3 new variations within seconds. Now, let's see how you can create up to 25 social media captions based on an existing blog post. Copy and paste the text from your blog post. Select a social media channel and writing style. The blog to social generator will come up with 25 social media captions based on 5 topics. Pretty cool, right? Set up your Storylab AI account and get started with the social media post generators. Don't simply copy/paste ideas and press the publish button. Use AI to spark creativity, but always add your unique style and engage your audience. Subscribe to stay up to date with the latest content creation tips.